There's 3 slots on here. I only strung 2 wires today. There are notches in here, so the wires can't come out so easily. So they're tightened from both ends, slipped into here, it's done deal. This is aluminum wire, and it can have a electric fence hook up to it because this is insulated. This is plastic. These are meant to be inside or outside. They can only go one direction because of the way it sits on the T-post. On the inside, there is a spot for the T-post. This one will only go one direction and sit on one direction and will not turn. It'll stay in place. They will not come off. So if the animals are jumping into this, the T-post stoppers will not come off.